Dodge Caliber runs. Ha! Yep, it runs, as you can hear. No lights. All the seatbelt light because I don't have my seatbelt on. You see that? It purrs really low. So, let's have a look under the hood for a second, just so you know, for your own well-being. It's getting old, it's gonna kill me, you know. One day, sooner or later. Better later than sooner, but, you know, that's the way it works. Listen. Tick, 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 tick. I forgot to put this back. That's so easy, just sits right in there like that. Now, I'm using my head. I put the relays right in there. They're no longer behind the headlight. They're right where I think they should be. Mind you, if you blow a light bulb, it might be a little bit of a pain to get at it. But it's pretty simple to get the old fender off, and it went back on pretty neatly. And so there we go. Finally. But I'm going to say this. Once you have electrical problems, it's not a big problem. It's all right here in this area here. Pop the light out, take the fender off, as you see in my earlier videos. Let's see if the light's the best here. There we go. And get the shrink wraps and solder the connections. At least I like to do it that way. So open her up, look for corroded wires, anything with a little pinhole, and then it'll start to swell, and there'll be green oxidization coming out of it. That you cut out and you strip it, clean the wire, and then solder them together, and then put the shrink wrap on, put the heat to it a little bit, shrink it up, and away you go. I had to do about 12 wires, and then my first video of the Dodge Caliber won't start, I was saying about underneath the fuse panel. Well, under the fuse panel, that's where the problem was. One of the wires were rotted right off. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Share, like, subscribe, talk to you.